Hey y'all, so we were at the gym and when we got home, my husband was surprised with these boxes. He was like, "What is this?" I ordered him a sofa for his man cave. He was so shocked, y'all. But it's nice to surprise people, right? Especially the people that you love. So, of course, he got to work right away, opening his boxes and assembling his sofa. So, this sofa I got from Walmart. It's from a brand called Wall Sunny. And I think originally the price point was about $500, and for whatever reason, it dropped down to $169. So I grabbed it up. Total with shipping was $300, and for the price point, functionality can't be beat. So I'm going to do a little mini review for you, and then I'm going to show you the completed look. A lot of people say they had to wait for both of their boxes to come because they were delivered on different days. But we got both boxes same day and everything was intact. Nothing was broken. Nothing was missing. I read the reviews. It's over like 500 reviews. So before I made my choice, I read the reviews, obviously. And a lot of people had really good things to say about this sofa, actually. And so, hey, I was like, let's take a chance. This is a modern L-sit couch. It has a convertible ottoman, so you can switch sides as you like. This couch was very firm, and I think it's supportive. I told my husband over time if he feels like he needs to soften it up or add more cushion, we could do that by inserting some pillow inserts or foam inserts of some sort, if he needed more of a cushion effect. But outside of that, he loves the sofa. Out of 500 plus reviews, most people gave them 5 stars, which is really good. A lot of people were saying like nice couch for a great price. Got it on sale for $200. I wouldn't buy it at the 500 price point, but this was a good match. Small couch, perfect for a young family. Good little couch. Seat cushions are firm, pretty easy to assemble, looks nice. I think we could use taller back cushions. I agree on that part. Okay, so let's look now at the specs. So it is listed as 116 pounds, modern pattern, removable cover, seats 3, and it's 73.60 by 44.10 by 28.30 inches. That's length, width, and height. Most people said that this could, I think, be better suited for a small space like a dorm, a small family room, a children's room. It's perfect for the man cave because technically my husband's the only one that is going to be sitting down here. We don't really come into his space much because we do like to honor that this is his space. And in fact, everything that's chosen for this space is all him. It is not catered towards me or anyone else because it's his space again. So you won't see a lot of white. You won't see like black and white. You won't see pink. You won't see flowers of any type like how I have upstairs because he likes a certain modern aesthetic. He's very much more modern than I am, and I'm happy to say that the final result is very pleasing aesthetically. We have some updates we need to do to the wall paint. We need to fix a piece of the molding because I had a leak and they took a piece out and never replaced it. We have to work on the fireplace to update that. He already has a nice TV and TV stand down here, so none of that is an issue. And as you can see, he does have a nice bar area. We do have the partition that we love that partition so much. It is very costly, but we love it. So anyway, all in all, we love this makeover. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make your house look chic, gorgeous, cozy, beautiful, whatever terminology you wish to use. You just have to do your research, okay, so that you can get the best bang for your buck. Because I believe that it doesn't take a lot of money. You don't have to use credit cards and be in debt. You save up for what you want, review the purchases so you can see what you can afford, and then go from there. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Today is a rainy day, so I know my video is a little dark, so I apologize about that. So I forgot to say, My husband went to Ross and he found those two wall pieces of artwork, and he loved those, so he got those, and it makes a nice addition to the room. I do have to find another piece for the other side of the wall near the partition or the bar setup, but we'll find it. It'll probably, I saw something really cool that related to go-go music, because my husband's from DC and he loves go-go music. So I've been seeing some prints that I'm in posters I'm kind of thinking about getting. So, I'll let you know what we decide. And then the curtains, they came from Amazon, of course, for like $50 each, I believe. Yeah, for two in a pack you get for 50 something dollars. Those are really nice. My husband loved those as well. He's an earth tone guy, so that's why we picked that color. He could have also gone with chocolate, which I may buy for him for like winter to switch it up. And the pillow covers are also from Amazon. Those are like a faux leather, distressed leather look, and he liked that as well. And y'all know that plant is from Amazon, and that planter, I got that from Hobby Lobby. So now, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great weekend.